Zambia Christian nation. Leadership comes from the Lord, not from the man. We praise you, Lord. We are a one Zambia chosen generation. We are a one Zambia chosen generation. Hey, hey, Zambia.
Zambia is a Christian nation. Zambia is a peaceful country. Zambia is a Christian nation. Zambia is a peaceful country.
Panetu ikatane, tulolekeshe pandashi. Cause we are one Zambia, one nation. Nangu mitungu tipusane, Santo Amozi, nangu makadri tipusane, Nise Amozi. Let us rise and shine.
Zambia is a Christian nation.
Zambia is the peaceful country. Zambia, my love. I love my country.
Zambia.
I love me, Zambia, Zambia. I don't know. Emi totila, Zambia Christian nation. Emi totila, Zambia Christian nation. Hey, Zambia is a Christian nation. Zambia is a Christian nation, Zambia is a Christian nation, trust in the Lord.
Zambia is a Christian
One thing about Zambia is that there is Jesus, oh Jesus. My motherland Zambia, my heart country, my heart, Lesa tufuka tilange nguko Iseti kata ni chapamo Alosi mulikuti Atonga mulikuti Akuchipata mulikuti mweo Iseni tushanini chapamo Yulia banzuba mo Yelelelele Let's go, let's go, let's go. One Zambia, one nation, one Zambia, one nation. Zambia is a Christian nation,
Is a Christian nation.
Atonga, Angoni, Alozi, yeah,
Is a Christian nation.
We Angoni, Atonga, Aloza, Kuchipata, yeah.
Is a Christian nation. Is a Christian nation.
Asoli, akuchipata imwe, iye ni mwelani. Zili pamozi imwe. No tribalism. Iche pamozi, one Zambia, one nation. Yaka tolingana. Yaka tolingana. Akuchipata bwelani, Angoni, Alozi, Yaka tolingana. Yaka tolingana. Yokodo.